Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. I hope you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God. Dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching the best and trendy collection of hunter boots. These hunter boots are very beautiful and charming colors, specially made for any season, completely waterproof and windproof and excellent hunter boots. Dear viewers, if you are see much more collection of hunter boots, please visit my YouTube channel Fashion Design and search my videos about shore on collection like leather dresses, rain boot, hunter boots and much more collection of hunter boots you can see on my YouTube channel Fashion Design. Dear viewers, my video see till the end because you can see much more collection of hunter boots. Dear viewers, I hope you will like my video and enjoy my video, so I request you please subscribe my channel if you are new and share my videos with your friends and say them to subscriber my channel. Dear viewers, due to your kindness I have a very little subscribers, so I request help for more subscribers. Dear viewers, my video is to be end. Thanks for watching. God bless you.